Hey guys, welcome back to BA Adventures.
Hi.
So today we are at opening weekend of Silver Dollar City.
We get to use our passes for the first time.
We do get to use our season passes that we got for the first time. So come with us. All right, so we made it inside and it's opening weekend like we said. And we just have a couple things planned for you guys today. And first off, we are going to do what now?
We're going to run a couple of rides real quick, get those knocked out of the way.
All right, and they have a dog show today also?
Yes, I want to check that out for sure.
So we're going to bring you guys along for that and let you see some of that. And then they always have a saloon show here all the time where you can go in and you can get your root beer and see some girls dance. So why don't you, we'll bring you guys in and let you, yeah, man,
they're starting up the picking.
Yeah, it must be. But we're going to bring you guys along for that, so stick around so that you can see the saloon show at the end of this video, and we'll see you guys when we get to a ride.
Yeah.
All right, so see you then. All right, so we've made it to the bottom of the hill, and as they say, when you get to the bottom of the hill, you get deeper into the park. But we are going to head to the first ride of our day, called Fire in the Hole. It's an iconic ride here, and I believe it may be an opening day attraction, as it has the classic animatronics and everything that you see in a roller coaster. So anyway, we're heading over here right now, and we will show you the entrance when we get there. We've made it to the entrance of Fire in the Hole, and we're gonna jump on. I guess we're gonna be volunteers needed to help put this fire out. All right, so we made it out of Fire in the Hole alive.
I remember that dropping way worse when you were younger.
Oh yeah, way worse, way worse. But anyway, we are gonna go ride some powder keg now. So it's one of our favorite coasters here, so it should be a lot of fun. So we just made it off powder keg. We had a lot of fun and forgot how intense it was and how fast it shoots you off at the beginning. So anyway, we really recommend that ride. And next we're gonna go to the Saloon Show. So here we go. All right, we've made it outside the Silver Dollar Saloon, and we're about to go in for their next show and maybe grab us a root beer float. See you inside.
Welcome to the Silver Dollar Stage, the cowboy crooner, the prairie poet, and the star of the show, Choctaw Charlie. Ah!
And the crowd goes wild.
Sure do. Well, thank you, folks. Don't all applaud at once. Well, hey, you know, it's no secret that I got a real passion for love, and well, I couldn't help but notice we got a few young people here in our audience today. So I thought, hey, how about one of the greatest love stories ever told? From the Bible. You know, that great big book? Golden words. And maps. Hey there, Delilah, this is your ex-boyfriend Samson, and I know that you think lifting weights made me so buff and handsome. You were wrong. It's 'cause I let my hair grow long that made me strong. Oh, what you did to me, oh, while I was asleep.
Carly.
Oh, I'm a Nazarene, oh, but you shaved me clean. Delilah, you're so mean. Why'd you grab the clipping shears and shave my head like Britney Spears? And now I'm
Wait a minute, hold on, hey!
I know. I didn't even know Britney Spears was around in the Bible.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, the Silver Dollar Saloon Oasis of Culture and Beauty proudly presents the lovely Silver Dollar Gals! I know we've got a lot to do. Hold tight, we've got it all for you. There's dancers kicking through the ceiling, and your dress is so appealing. Stand back, watch out, coming through. Clap your hands, we're here to sing and dance together. Raise the roof and all
just finished the Saloon Show, and what you think?
I love it.
It's a good time. We really like it.
Yeah,
and
your
the
dad
root beer,
jokes and...
the root beer floats are awesome too.
Make sure you bring cash though, because they don't take card in there.
You have to have cash for that. So it's always important to bring cash. So anyway, I think we're gonna go rustle us up some lunch.
Yes.
All right, so we're gonna go get something to eat, and we'll show you what we get and where we go for you guys, and
The dog show.
then we got the dog show after. So stick around for that. So before Silver Dollar City closed down for their normal shutdown of the year, they had a fire in the woodworking area, and this is all boarded up. This is where it used to be. Really sad, but I do know that they plan to rebuild, but this is what it looks like. It's all boarded up and fenced off, as you can see, and hopefully they are working towards getting it done and starting it back up and building it back up soon. So anyway, we are headed off for our lunch. See you there. All right, so we're stopping at Hatfield's Tater Patch, and we're gonna get their famous sausage and potato skillet. Here, this guy is putting it together right in front of us. He's sliding all the sausage over, and he's gonna throw it in and mix it all up. It looks good. So here at the Tater Patch, it's got different combo meals. First is the smoked sausage sandwich for $11.99. Breaded chicken tenders for $11.29, giant pork tenderloin for $11.99. They even have a kids meal, and then our famous sausage and potato skillet, which has slices of fried white and sweet potatoes, peppers, onions, seasoning, hickory smoked sausage for $11.99. So for $16.29, we can get a mug, which we can refill throughout the year until until December 30th. And refills are only $1.81. But we decided to share it, and it's a little skillet. Comes out in a little bowl right here.
It's a little smaller than expected.
It is smaller than I expected too.
But it's kind of loaded up too, I will say that.
It is loaded up. It is a pretty heavy meal, so probably a good portion. Our friend Megan got the chicken strips, so.
Because I am a child.
She says because she's a child. But they look good as well. So anyway, we'll let you know how this is after we eat it. All right, so our sausage and potato skillet was actually really good.
Yeah, I liked it a lot.
When you guys are here, we highly suggest coming over to the Hatfield Tater Patch and getting you one of those, especially if you are here for a long extended time, like if you're visiting for a few days. So highly recommend it. Anyway, the next thing that we've got up for you is the long-awaited dog show. So we'll see you when we get inside there.
Bye.
Okay, so we've made it over here to the Red Gold Heritage Hall, and we're going to go watch the dog stunt show.
Yeah.
So this is what you guys have been waiting on, and we'll let you guys see that when we get inside. All right, see you in there.
Would you like to have here today? Awesome, guys. We're going to have some doggone fun. In fact, in today's show, we're going to have a couple challenges that will test our dogs' intelligence, speed, accuracy, and leaping ability. In fact, our first challenge is going to test their accuracy.
All right, let's do it. First, representing the blue team, let's welcome out Abby with Candu. Candu is actually Abby's newest star, newly adopted from the state of Arizona. This dog actually was trained to be a therapy dog, but he had way too much energy for that, so Abby was lucky enough to end up with him. And he is actually a rookie, so he's going to need your encouragement out there, blue team. He's only done this in front of a live live audience now 3 times. This is his 3rd time. So get ready to cheer him on. And everybody, help me count out every catch he makes. Oh, that's going to be a miss. He's got 1 though, and 2. Can he get to it? He did not, but he's got 2. Let's get back on track. Can you? Unfortunately, that's another miss. He's got 2. 3. We'll call that one a catch. 4. Can he get to number 5? Oh, that one was just kind of a bad throw. We adopted this little guy from Act Now Rescued Group in St. Louis, Missouri. Woo! Got some St. Louis people out there. They're going to cheer extra loud for Maserati. Chris making his way into the crowd. He needs 5 to tie it up for 6 for the win. Let's see what happens. Let's count all these out. Chris is ready. Here comes number 5. 2. Beautiful catch. 3. 4. 5. 6. He's already got the win. 7. 8. Well, he is accurate today. 9. Can he catch them all? And he does catch 9 out of 10. That means Maserati takes the win for the red team. Show it off a little bit.
All right, so that stunt show was amazing, and we're gonna go down here and meet a couple of the dogs. Hey, you did good. You did good. You did really good. All right, so we just got out of the dog show, and it was amazing.
I loved it. It was just wholesome, fun, and it's exciting.
It was. It was really exciting. They do a great job in there.
Do you think Molly could do some of those tricks?
I don't think so. No. She's a little big for that.
I would hate to see her jumping through my arms.
Yeah, that would be crazy. But we really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you for coming along with us. And we do have season passes in Silver Dollar City, so stay tuned.
I'm very excited about the events that they have going on.
Me too, me too. So we really want to show you what Silver Dollar City has to offer, so that you guys can make your trip here and visit this theme park. It's awesome. So with that being said, hit that like button, that subscribe button, and that
Bell notification button.
so you don't miss any of our videos. And
With that, bring on the next adventure.
bye, guys.